how to create a cPanel account. So if you want to create a cPanel account, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for cPanel. Once you've searched, go for the first search, which is cpanel.net, and it will take you to the website. Now to create your account, go for account login, which will be on the upper right. And once you click on that, it might take you to the login page. So to create, go for create account, which is on the bottom of your screen. Click on that and it will take you to the register option. So go for the sign up page, and here you need to enter your personal information. Enter your first and last name, and then your email address and your phone number. You may choose the country code. You will have all of these countries. Choose your specific country and then enter your phone number and enter your billing address. So you can enter your company name, which is optional, and then enter your address or your street address number 2, and your city, your state, and your zip code, and then your country, and your tax ID, which is optional. And you need to enter the account security, which is the password. So create a password, make sure to enter a strong password, and then again confirm your password. And once you enter the password, or once you create your password, if you want to join the mailing list, then click on yes, or if you're not interested, click on no. Click on this box so that you agree to the terms of service. Click on register, and once you click on register, your account will be created. So that's how you can register to cPanel, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.